But did you know? Mental disorder is not as far-fetched as we think. It is caused by the simplest of things. We all have that button to press that can push us over the edge. Any little thing can trigger off any little man or big man to a state of insanity. But it's how the person is cared for and dealt with that really makes a difference. We all go on that drive in life that takes us on the path of grief, death, loneliness. These are all ingredients that can build depression and cause us to see things that aren't actually there. So the next time you see someone depressed, sad or lonely, let's lend a hand to help them, encourage them and motivate them and not beat them down with our words, calling them worthless and all that. That's just a tip from Chross, one humanitarian to another.